What's up, YouTube? It's Intro here again. I really have nothing for you today. This is an update for the lawnmower. I'll show you here. In the tire department. Okay. Let's see here. Remember how the tread of the tire used to look like that on this thing? Well, now it looks like that on this side. Let me open the garage door, pull it out, and I will show you. We have it pulled out. It's a little snowy. But yeah, there's the new tire. Looks stupid. Okay, we're back in the garage. It got kind of cold in here ever since I opened the door, but that's okay. I actually have a question for you guys. For this thing. It used to be the raise and lower for the mower deck right there. Hang on a minute. Set this thing up right. You see, it's a push button thingy. It raises and lowers. Yeah. I want to know if you guys want me to get rid of that. I actually want to keep it, but it's in the way of my gas pedal. I will show you why. I don't know if you guys can see that, but right here follows, right here is where it sticks out, and my gas pedal is that shiny thing right there. And it sticks out, but when I push it down, it's not in the way anymore. But when I pull it up, it's now in the way. But I want to keep this on here, so if I was happen to fall off or something, I can grab onto it and it's steady, and I won't have to worry about it. But of course, I might just put a seatbelt on and be done with it. But this needs to go. What I could do, take it off, maybe bend it over a little bit, like that way, and make it like a shifter type thing or something, but I don't know. But anyway, in the gas pedal department, get my light. Gas pedal department, every time I push down on the the brake thing, I don't watch this. It's pushed down right now, but when I lift out, that thing comes out and my throttle is stuck open. So what I'm gonna have to do, I'm going to push the cable cord in, make it tight so I can electrical tape it, and hopefully it stays sturdy. My electrical tape right here. Recommend electrical tape. Electrical tape, best thing in the world. So yeah, I'm gonna electrical tape this thing up, and hopefully it works. I'll see you when it's done. Okay, I have put the tape on, and as you can see, there's tape there, and when I push down on it, nothing happens. I don't know if you can see, but push down, lit up, all the way, no wire, no loose connection, no nothing. I took the hood off just for the sake of it, because it was easier to work on. And with the hood on, I couldn't get the taping off around, but yeah. But if I have to do, well, what I have to do next, I have to drill 2 holes in the top of the hood and 2 holes here. Well, actually, I might weld some pins here with like hairpins, and like stick them in there so the hood don't fly open. Oh, and here's a better look at the thing I was talking about. It's on the loose side a little, but it used to be the. Can you guys see that? No, but it used to be the raise and lower thing. I don't know if you can see down in there, but there's the pins in there for the raise and lower. So I don't know. Maybe I can make it like a shifter type thing. Like take it off and like, you know, maybe add to this or something. But I want to make like a T type thing. But yeah, no gas, no belt, so no riding today, sadly. I still have a lot of work to do to this thing. I have to lock the transaxle, and the transaxle is what is in the rear down there that makes your wheels turn. And if you don't know what locking your transaxle means, there will be a link in the description, and that has a how to lock your transaxle. The video is by Fearless Front. He has off-road mudding stuff and everything. So the link will be in the description for that. So hope you enjoyed this video, and subscribe if you haven't already. Put your comments in the below. What you think of the tractor so far, and what you think about this thing. Please tell me what you think about it. I want to get rid of it, but I want to use the handle for something or something. So, yep. Thanks for watching, guys, and until next week, I will see you guys later.